Hey everyone, this is Pragyesh Gupta.
I'm Avin. Currently, I'm doing economics.
I'm Satyajit Machale.
Hello everyone, this is Somaranjan Naik. I'm a 6th year PhD student in Metallurgical Engineering Material Science Department.
Hello, I'm Varansh Kirtani from Metallurgy.
Hi, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm a sophomore in the MEMS department.
I'm Soumya Sharma from Civil Engineering Department.
I'm Isha Mukherjee from Aerospace Department.
Hello, I'm Chaitanya Kadam. I came here in Institute through physics of campus recruit program.
आई थिंक कि इंस्टा आने से बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ है रीज़न
सबसे पहले तो ये सब मिल गए हैं मुझे इतने सारे लोग. The experience is vital for every fresh.
In multiple ways.
The tech, the sport, the aura, the environment.
Sports one, so I am a sports enthusiast person and I like playing football and cricket a lot. I could explore our gymkhana a lot.
At my home, I didn't have a dedicated place to sit down and read.
लाइक हमारी सोशल लाइफ जो है वो बहुत अच्छी हो गई है. थोड़ा सा हम जब लोगों से मिलते हैं अननोन पर्सन, एक पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप होती है जो अननोन पर्सन से बात करना और उन पर ट्रस्ट करना. सो एक सोशल लाइफ जो है वो हमारी इंप्रूव होती है.
I don't know if I've benefited or not, but it has definitely increased my rate of attending classes, that I would say.
I hope that the Insti allows this because it's very good for everyone.
I think it's an individual's call because I have few friends whose work is entirely on simulation. So there is no need for them to come back to the campus because they can access their computers from home and can get their work done. But for people like me who have to stay in the campus to work, to finish off their work, definitely we need to come to the campus.
The Insti is one of the safest place in India in terms of safety from COVID-19. Like the mask rule is followed very properly. Like so here, in terms of academic and personal development, other people also come because the more the people, the more benefit it will be for the Insti people.
या ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज इंस्टी में बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो हमको एक्सप्लोर लाइफ में करनी चाहिए एंड वो शायद वो अपॉर्चुनिटी इंस्टी में ही रहेगी.
I think it
That Insti has perfectly carried out the reboot process.
probably have little lesser restrictions since the number of cases are like fine. But yeah, I mean, I think it's doing great. But
फास्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ द rebooting.
and the restrictions, like in case someone's vaccinated twice and they have a negative RT-PCR, I don't see a point in quarantine. So
we show proper RT-PCR report, negative RT-PCR report. They should not make it compulsory to have 7 days quarantine.
What they could have done better is that when we were asked last year to leave our campus, we were given a very short notice. And some of my friends who have their homes in Northeast or in far off region, for them getting tickets was a very big issue and they had to buy like tickets at very huge price. So that was one of the problems that I saw in the initial days.
हाँ, so सबसे ज़्यादा चेंजेस तो वही द वे वी लिव में आया है. थोड़े restrictions बढ़ गए हैं ज़्यादा, केसेस भी बढ़े थे. Unfortunate time, so yeah, we need some precautions. But अब थोड़ा feel में भी होना चाहिए.
Like before, for a few days after, for like about 2 months after the second wave, many facilities like gymkhana, library were closed. They have opened now. So more or less it is the same.
And if you go to the mess, all the tables have been sectioned so that people don't come in direct contact with each other. So all those things has made life a bit more boring, or though they are essential, but life was much more easier and better without them.
Till the second wave, like till the end of the April, there were very few people in the campus, and so almost all the facilities like the gymkhana grounds or the gym, etc., everything were closed. But after the second wave, when the cases slowly decreased, then people started coming, and slowly all the facilities are opening, like the grounds, student activity center, and even now the offline activities are starting. Recently, the accelerate happened.
So like अगर थर्ड वेव आ जाती है तो माई रिएक्शन वुड बी वेरी सैड. लाइक यार अभी तो आए थे और अभी जा रहे हैं तो काफ़ी बुरा फील होगा.
See, if third wave is there, then they are pretty much like mixed reaction because you wanted to return, but you didn't return because of your safety, of course. Health is much more like.
So regarding the third wave, I don't think it's much of a concern if you're in the Insti. So I've heard that NC has good COVID precautionary measures and everything, so yeah, I don't think there's much to worry about. I probably would not return home.
If the third wave comes, we will try to ensure maximum precaution in the institute only. We would not try to go back, otherwise it can like really spread by travel.
Actually, I had not to do anything to convince my parents. They were like, "कब जा रहे तो इंस्टी एक साल हो गया."
I did not convince my parents. Actually, they convinced me as they were very keen that I should go to the campus since they knew that I would go there and study and also excel in sports.
So I just filled the form and I told my parents this is what I'm doing. So there wasn't much of a discussion. They were just a little bit excited that I was finally going. That's about it.
They are still not convinced or still not happy with the fact that I'm back on campus. They still ask me to come back. So there's no something called convincing them. I just kept on telling them that I need to go, I need to go, I need to go, and then they just let me go.
For sure, cracking reboot form is very difficult. Like पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं, पेशेंस लेवल टेस्ट होता है तुम्हारा. जेई में इतना नहीं होता था. जेई में इतना है, इतना पढ़ो, उतना हो जाएगा तुम्हारा.
Obviously, bro, getting into ITV.
Coming to INSTE, like, I mean, I live in Mumbai itself, so like, you know, just going the 8 kilometers from my place to campus, it's just, it's it's been so frustrating because campus is right there. Like, I've driven over once and just bahar se dekha and like just, you know, like a long lost lover. So definitely coming to INSTE has been much more difficult.